Hello student, welcome back to next video. Here in this video I am going to take the problems of topic combination. I am going to take all the problems of your NCERT one by one. Hope you have seen the last video. If you have not seen, you can go to the playlist and check out the number of the videos that I have posted for you. Let's quickly see what is the first question. A committee of 3 persons is to be formed from a group of 2 men and 3 women. So there are 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways this can be done? See, out of this we do require a committee of 3 persons. How many ways this can be done? The first question. And how many ways the committee consists of 1 man and 2 women? So 2 questions in a one statement. Let's see in the first step what we do have. There are total, ठीक है, 2 men. How many men are there? Right? There are 2 men and 3 women. Out of these 3, we do require, let me present a pictorial form. If I'll say 2 men are there and 3 women are there, out of these, ठीक है, with the help of this you can say we need to form a committee of how many members? 3 member a committee. It means 3 member committee is required, but in the first question there is no condition. In the first question, let me write, there is no condition. It mean कितने मैन लेने हैं और कितनी वुमेन्स लेनी है, ऐसी कोई कंडीशन नहीं दी. सो इट मीन्स हमारे पास यहाँ पर 3 और 2 5 राइट है. टोटल हम ये कह सकते हैं कि हमारे पास 5 पर्सन्स हैं, राइट है. एंड आउट ऑफ दैट 5 पर्सन और कमेटी मेरे को बनानी है ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड, राइट है. तो आउट ऑफ दैट रिक्वायर्ड कितने हैं, हाउ मेनी आर रिक्वायर्ड? सो वो है हमारे पास 3. हाउ मेनी आर रिक्वायर्ड? इट्स 3. एंड यू नोज वेरी वेल, ठीक है, आउट ऑफ दीज 5 आई डू रिक्वायर 3 एंड हाउ मेनी वेज, ठीक है. सो यहाँ पर हम मेंशन करेंगे टोटल वेज that can be done 5C3, because out of that 5 I do require only 3 person. And you knows very well student, 5C3 को हम 5C2 लिख सकते हैं और 5C2 को हम डायरेक्टली 10 लिख सकते हैं. So this is my answer of first question. How many ways are there to choose a committee of 3 person, right, out of given number of men and women? Let's see now what is the second part. In the second part of the question, they have asked a committee is to be chosen such that there should be a 1 man, right, and 2 women. So now they have described the committee members. It means out of 2 given men, right, let me write कि out of 2 given, out of 2 given men, right, what we require? Only 1 man is required. Is only 1 man is required. So means if you are having 2 men, 1 man is required. It can be done in 2C1 ways. A selection. How many men are there? 2. How many men you do require? Only 1. So this can be done in 2C1 way. But as the committee do require 3 members, so I have to go for women also, right? So out of 3 women, right? How many women we require? 2 women are required. how many women? 2 women are required. And this can be done in how many ways? 3C 2. And now in club we can write total ways, and this can be done 2C1 multiply by 3C2. Here 2C1 you knows very well it's 2, 3C2 you knows very well it's again 3. Then your answer is 6 ways, right? In 6 different ways a committee of one member, one man and 2 women can be formed from the given number of 2 men and 3 women. Let's continue with the next question. What is the number of ways of choosing 4 cards from a pack of 52 playing cards? Student, playing cards. You have done the distribution of playing cards in 10th class in the chapter probability. How many ways? Number 1, 4 cards are of same suit. Okay? So let's discuss the solution of first question. In playing cards there are total cards, right? Total 52 cards are there, but I don't require all 52. I do require to choose only 4 cards. It's a 4 cards are required to choose, but cards are of same suit. It means you can you knows very well, in out of 52 cards there are 4 different suits, right? The first one is of a, you can say, diamond. The second one is of a club. The third one is of a heart, and the fourth one is of a spade. So there are 4 different type of cards, each having a number 13. डायमंड के भी 13 कार्ड हैं स्टूडेंट, क्लब के भी 13 कार्ड है, हार्ट के भी 13 कार्ड है और स्पेड्स के भी 13 कार्ड है. क्लियर है? अगर ये 13-13 का कॉम्बो है, एज दे आर आस्किंग 4 कार्ड्स ऑफ द सेम सूट. सेम सूट से हमारा मतलब है कि या तो सारे कार्ड मेरे डायमंड के होंगे, राइट है, ऑल कार्ड्स आर ईदर ऑफ डायमंड, और ऑल कार्ड्स आर ईदर ऑफ क्लब, और ऑल कार्ड्स ईदर ऑफ हार्ट्स, और ऑल कार्ड्स ईदर ऑफ स्पेड्स. इट मीन्स कि मेरे पास out of 13, in how many ways I can have 4 cards of a diamond, that is 13C4. क्योंकि यहाँ पर चॉइस है मेरे पास, तो आप जानते हो स्टूडेंट, चॉइस के लिए बीच में क्या आ जाएगा? प्लस आ जाएगा. क्योंकि I can either go for diamond, either I can go for club, or I can go for a heart card, that is 13C4, or even I can go for a card of spades, right? So that is 13C4. So or in total I can write 4 into 13C4. और स्टूडेंट आप जानते हो द वे टू हैव अ सोल्यूशन. ठीक है, छोटी सी कैलकुलेशंस हैं, सो आई एम लीविंग कैलकुलेशन पार्ट फॉर यू. I'm very much sure student you can do it easily. Even in my classes I told you the way you should approach with your calculation. I have discussed the smart way. ठीक है, you can have the answers in a second student, very much sure. Number 2, 4 cards belongs to 4 different suits, right? In this part, second part, let me write 2. 4 cards belongs to different suit. It means यहाँ पर जो 4 कार्ड होंगे हमारे, वो डिफरेंट सूट के होंगे, यानी कि ईच सूट डू हैव ओनली 1 कार्ड, राइट है. एज यू नोज वेरी वेल कि हमारे पास जो ऑप्शन है, हमारे पास जो ऑप्शन है, राइट है, आप जानते हो कि बिकॉज वी डू हैव अ 13 कार्ड्स. ईच कार्ड ऑफ मतलब 4 कार्ड्स बिलोंग्स टू 4 डिफरेंट सूट. इट मीन्स डायमंड का हमारे पास 1 कार्ड हो जाएगा, राइट है, क्योंकि हमारे पास चॉइस है, डायमंड है, क्लब है, राइट है, हार्ट है, और हमारे पास क्या है, स्पेड है। क्योंकि सभी का एक एक कार्ड चाहिए, सो इट मीन्स डायमंड का एक कार्ड होगा। आउट ऑफ 13 आई विल सेलेक्ट वन, as I have to go for 4 cards, have to go for means a multiplication will be there, and then there will be a one card of club, multiply one card of heart, multiply one card of a spade, multiply. Here you can see, student, in the first part I have used a plus sign. Now I am using a sign of a multiplication. Why so? Because I have to go for the 4 cards. So in the first, out of this diamond card, I am selecting only one card. So it means rest of the 3 cards are more required. I have to go with the selection for the next 3 cards. So when I have to go for the selection, I will use a sign of a multiplication. And same, you can write this as 13c1 whole raised to power 4. और आप जानते हो 13c1 स्टूडेंट क्या होता है, आपका 13 होता है. What is 13c1 raised to power 4? It's either you can write 13c raised to power 4, or what you can do, please, ठीक है, you can do the small calculation. Let's see what is the question number 3. Here all face cards. तो स्टूडेंट आप जानते हो in playing cards there are 12 face cards. ठीक है, लेट मी गिव द बाइफर्केशन ऑफ ऑल फेस कार्ड्स. हमारे पास 4 किंग होंगे, ठीक है, 4 किंग होंगे, 4 ही हमारी क्वींस होंगी, राइट है, और 4 ही हमारे जैक्स होंगे. ये चारों के तीनों कार्ड जो हैं दे डू कैरी अ फेस, दैट्स व्हाई दे डू नेम्ड एज अ face cards. So we are having 12 face cards. So how many cards we require out of these 12? We require only 4 cards. So this can be done in simple 12c4, right? And that you knows very well. It's a 12 factorial, 4 factorial, 8 factorial. This is further 12 into 11 into 10 into 9, ठीक है? And then you are having 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Rest is calculation part, so I am leaving calculation part for you students. You can easily do the calculations to have the answer. Let's see what is the next question. Next part, I'm sorry, not the question. It's a part number 4. 2 cards, 2 are red cards and 2 are black cards. It means out of given cards I do require only 4 cards, ठीक है? So let me write fourth part here. As you can see, 2 are red and 2 are black. Total red cards, आप जानते हो स्टूडेंट, प्लेइंग कार्ड्स के अंदर रेड कार्ड जो हैं वो 26 हैं. इट्स अ सम ऑफ 2 कार्ड्स, डायमंड एंड हर्ट. और जो ब्लैक कार्ड है हमारे पास वो भी कितने हैं, 26 हैं. दैट इज आल्सो अ सम ऑफ, राइट है, स्पेड्स एंड अ क्लब. So out of this red, 26 red, I do require only 2 cards. How many cards we do require of red color? 2 cards. And how many black cards we require? Again 2 cards. It means this can be done in 26c2 multiply by 26c2. Because we do are having 26 cards, red. How many cards we require? 2. And you knows, everyone, those who attend my offline classes or online classes, they are very much familiar with the way I write the solution. Okay, I'm very much sure you can have the solution of this in a seconds. Let's quickly jump to the next question. It's a question in the 5th part. All cards are of same color. It means your option will be there, either, right, your card, all cards either of black color or red color. So you can see the word either or, all the cards of red color or a black color. It means मेरे पास red कितने हैं वो हम पहले भी डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. We are having 26 red. ब्लैक कितने हैं? वी आर हैविंग 26 ब्लैक, क्योंकि चारों के चारों कार्ड मेरे ब्लैक होने चाहिए, तो 26C4 और 26C4. This can be written as twice of 26C4 and rest simple calculations. So I am leaving calculation for you students. ठीक है, I am very much sure, pretty sure you can do the calculation of these questions very easily. And let's see what is the next question. Next question is, how many chords can be drawn through 21 points on a circle? So student, you can see statement, words given, points on a circle. So means points are non-collinear. When the points do lie on a circle, they are definitely non-collinear points. So how many total points we are having? How many points total? 21. But students, for a line, how many points we require? Only 2. अगर आपके पास points है, see, let me put different points. अब अगर मेरे को line draw करनी है, तो I either choose this, even this, right है, even this also, right है. So कहने का मतलब क्या है कि out of that 21 points, right है, so in different ways, यानी कि in total ways, I have to choose only 2 points. This can be done in 21C 2, that is 21 factorial, 2 factorial and 19 factorial, that is 21 into 20, 19 get cancel out, it's a 21 into 10, that is 210 is the answer. Let's see the next question. In how many ways a team of 3 boys and 3 girls be selected from 5 boys and 4 girls? Again, just same as of the committee one that we have discussed earlier. How many boys we do have, right? You can write total boys we are having 5, total girls we are having 4. Out of these 5 boys, we do require only 3. Let me write how many required. Only 3. How many required girls? Only 4. Right? I'm sorry, not 4, it's 3. It means out of given 5 boys, I need to choose 3, and out of given 4 girls, I need to choose 3. And this can be simplified further: 5 factorial, 2 factorial, 3 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial and 1 factorial. And that will be your 5 into 4, 3 get cancel out, 2, 4 and 3 get cancel out, and this will gives you 10 into 4 as a 40 will be the answer for this question. And let's see the next question. Find the number of ways of selecting 9 balls from 6 red balls, 5 white balls, 5 blue balls, if each selection consists of 3 balls of each color. It means, let's see how many red balls we do have. Number 1, red balls are 6 in number, white ball are 5 in number, blue ball are 5 in number again, and then let me write total number of balls. So total number of balls are 16, अब out of these 16 we do require, how many balls we do require to choose? 9 balls. But these 9 balls comes with the condition that each, right है, color do have 3 balls. यानी कि रेड की भी हमारे पास 3 बॉल्स होनी चाहिए, वाइट की भी हमारे पास 3 बॉल्स होनी चाहिए, और ब्लू की भी हमारे पास 3 बॉल्स होनी चाहिए. It means out of given 6 red, I have to choose 3, and out of 5 white, I have to choose 3. Out of 5 blue, I have to choose 3. And here instead of a plus, I am putting a multiplication, as I have to choose total 9 balls. It means on selecting 3 red balls, I have to go for 3 more balls of white color. I have to go for 3 more balls of blue color. So that's why I'm putting a sign of a multiplication. Let's simplify it. 63. That will be your 6 factorial, 3 factorial, 3 factorial. It's a 5 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 factorial. It's a 5 factorial, 3 factorial, and 2 factorial. Here I'm writing every step. Otherwise, I have discussed the visualization of the answer, how to get the answer in a one line, 1 second. But for those who don't know, I'm writing the proper steps. This will be what? 6 into 5 into 4, then 3 get cancel out. 3 into 2 into 1. It's a 5 into 4, 3 get cancel out. 2 into 1. It's a 5 into 4, 3 get cancel out. 2 into 1. Right? Eh? So the first gives me 20. Second gives me 10. Next will also give me 10. So what will be my answer? In this case, 2000. Let's see the next question. Determine the number of 5 card combination out of the deck of 52 cards if there is exactly one ace in the each combination. How many cards we required? 5. So student, आपके पास टोटल कितने कार्ड हैं वो उन्होंने पहले मेंशन किया हुआ है, क्योंकि हम प्लेइंग कार्ड्स की बात कर रहे हैं. टोटल 52 कार्ड्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, राइट है, 52 कार्ड्स आर देयर. बट जो हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट है, what we required 5 cards with the condition, right है, exactly one ace in the each combination. यानी कि जो 5 कार्ड होंगे, these 5 cards must having an ace. यानी कि एक एस आना जरूरी है. वट एवर द 5 कार्ड विल चूज. ठीक है, चलिए एक पिक्टो प्रेजेंटेशन बना लेते हैं, क्योंकि परमुटेशन में तो हमने बहुत डिस्कस किया था, कॉम्बिनेशन में नहीं डिस्कस किया. लेट्स डिस्कस क्विकली अ पिक्टोरियल प्रेजेंटेशन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन. सी, अब यहाँ पर दे हैव मेंशन कि एक मेरा एस होना चाहिए, तो यानी कि वो कोई भी हो सकता है. यानी कि एक एस होगा और रेस्ट ऑफ द 4 कार्ड जो है मेरे वो क्या होंगे? अदर देन एस होंगे, अदर देन एस होंगे. सो in playing cards, how many aces I do have? I am having 4 ace. And how many other cards I left now? 48, because 52 cards में से ace कितने होते हैं? 4 ace होते हैं हमारे पास, और 48 हमारे क्या होते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? अदर कार्ड्स होते हैं, राइट है. सो इट मीन्स आउट ऑफ दैट 4 ace, how many aces they have asked? Only 1. इट मीन्स इसमें से मेरे को सिर्फ एक एस चाहिए, और इसमें से रेस्ट, बिकॉज आई डू रिक्वायर टोटल 5 कार्ड्स, तो यहां से मेरे क्या हो जाएंगे? अदर कार्ड्स यहां से आ जाएंगे. तो दिस कैन बी डन इन हाउ मेनी वेज? डेफिनेटली स्टूडेंट, इट्स अ 4C1. वाई मल्टीप्लिकेशन? बिकॉज आई हैव टू गो फॉर 5 कार्ड्स. सो इट मीन्स आफ्टर सेलेक्टिंग 1 कार्ड, आई कांट स्टॉप. I have to proceed with the other 4 cards also, and that will be done from 48 cards, 4C1 and 48C4. What do you mean by 4C1? It's a 4 factorial, 1 factorial, and a 3 factorial. And then further, it's a 48 factorial, 4 factorial, and 44 factorial. Clear है? And now again I am leaving the calculations for you to have the answer. The method I have discussed with you, small calculations part I left, ठीक है, that I'm very much sure you can do it very easily. Let's see the next question. How many ways a ball if each cricket 11 from 17 player in which only 5 players can bowl? यानी कि हमारे पास टोटल 17 प्लेयर्स हैं. यू कैन सी हाउ मेनी प्लेयर्स वी आर हैविंग. टोटल 17 प्लेयर्स, बट आउट ऑफ दैट 17 ओनली 5 कैन bowl and cricket team require only 11 players with a 4 bowler, right है. So it means हमारे पास here in this question जो total number of players हैं, let me write, total players are 17, but out of 17 they further bifurcate कि इस 17 में से only 5 can bowl, right है. चलिए हम थोड़ा सा इसको अलग तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर देते हैं, ठीक है. अब आउट ऑफ दिस 17 लेट मी पुट अ लाइक दिस इन दिस वे कि आउट ऑफ दिस 17 ओनली 5 जो है वो हमारे अच्छे बॉलर हैं, यानी कि वो बॉलिंग करेंगे. तो जो 12 रह गए वो अदर देन बॉलर हो गए. चलिए इसको नाम दे देते हैं बैट्समैन का, ठीक है, वो बैटिंग करेंगे. बट व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? टीम ऑफ व्हाट इज टीम? So team of 11 is required, right है. Team of 11 player is required, but जो 11 player की team है, that team doesn't have all bowler. It's not required कि आपको सारे bowler डालने हैं. So out of that 11 player, we do require 4 bowler जो ball करेंगे, right है. तो इट मीन्स 7 जो रहेंगे वो हमारे क्या रहेंगे? चलिए बैट्समैन कह देते हैं, वैसे तो विकेट कीपर भी होता है पर चलिए बैटिंग तो वो भी करता ही है. सो दिस इज द कंडीशन. हाउ मेनी बॉलर्स वी डू हैव? आप देख सकते हो कि हमारे पास यहाँ पर कितने बॉलर हैं. वो आप देख रहे हो कि 5 बॉलर हैं, बट हमें रिक्वायर्ड कितने हैं? 4 बॉलर रिक्वायर्ड है हमें. हाउ मेनी बॉलर्स वी रिक्वायर्ड? तो हमें 4 बॉलर रिक्वायर्ड है. तो दिस कैन बी डन इन 5C4 ways. How many batsmen we have? We are having a 12 batsmen, but हमें require कितने हैं? 4. So this can be done in 7. 12C7. So इन दोनों को आप कंबाइन कर देते हैं. अब तो हमारे पास क्या आ जाएगा? टोटल वेज, दैट इज 5C4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 12C7. So number of ways in which a cricket 11 including 4 bowlers, ठीक है, can be selected, right है. So total ways, so total ways equal to 5C4 multiply by 12C7 will be the answer. You can further simplify it. Let's see what is the next question. A bag contains 5 black balls, 6 red balls. Determine the number of ways in which 2 black balls and 3 red balls be selected. Exactly same as of the committee problem. How many black balls we do have? How many black balls we do have? 5. How many red balls we have? It's a 6. But out of these 5 black balls, how many balls, black ball are required? Let me write. Required black balls 2. Let me write. Required red balls 3. And this can be done very easily. 5C2 multiply by 6C3. And you knows very well, student, 5C2 means it's a 5 into 2. And 6C3 means, right, 4 into 5. That is 10 into 20. आप कहोगे सर ये कैसे लिखा? I have discussed to how to write the answer smartly. चलिए लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. How many ways a student choose a program of 5 courses if 9 courses are there and 2 specific courses are compulsory? It means total course जो है आपके पास वो है 9, बट आउट ऑफ दीज 9 कोर्सेज 2 तो कंपलसरी हो गए. जो 2 कोर्स है हमारे पास वो कंपलसरी हैं. इट मीन्स आउट ऑफ 9 2 कंपलसरी, तो 7 आर लेफ्ट, राइट है. यानी कि इसमें से हम लोग ये कह सकते हैं कि 9 में से 2 तो कंपलसरी हैं, वो तो पहले ही सिलेक्ट हो गए, उसको तो सिलेक्ट करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. तो आपके पास चॉइस क्या बची, राइट है. जो चॉइस है वो 7 की बची. बट अब आपके पास रिक्वायर्ड क्या है, आपको कितने कोर्स चूज करने हैं. रिक्वायर्ड हमें है 5 कोर्सेज, बट आउट ऑफ दैट 5 अगेन स्टूडेंट यू कैन से कि जो 2 है वो तो आपके कंपलसरी वाले हैं. तो इट मीन्स आपको 2 तो पहले ही चुन लिए गए हैं. तो इट मीन्स आपके पास जो चॉइस रह जाएगी वो किसकी रह जाएगी, 3 कोर्सेज की चॉइस रह जाएगी. बट जो चॉइस है वो डेफिनेटली चॉइस से आएगी. तो इट मीन्स अगर चॉइस से आएगी, सो कैन आई से कि यो हमारे पास चॉइस है वो 7 कोर्सेज की है. सो आउट ऑफ दैट आई डू रिक्वायर ओनली 3. सो दिस कैन बी डन इन 7 फैक्टोरियल, 3 फैक्टोरियल एंड 4 फैक्टोरियल. दैट इज 7 इंटू 6 इंटू 5, राइट है. 4 कैंसल हो जाएगा, 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 1. सो व्हाट विल बी द आंसर, 35 वेज. सो यहां पर हम लिख सकते हैं लास्ट में कि टोटल वेज कितने हैं हमारे, 35, राइट स्टूडेंट. तो दीज वर द few problems of the topic combination that I have discussed with you. Before this I have even shared a thought chapter solution of the chapter permutation. So hope student कि you do like the solutions of the questions that I have given to you. So channel maths@NandaSir, do subscribe and do comment. ये जो कमेंट आप करते हो ये हमारे लिए एनकरेजमेंट रहती है, सो दैट कि वी, ठीक है, कि मैं और मेरी टीम बहुत सारी चीज़ें आपको और भी प्रेजेंट करें. अगर आप साइलेंटली वीडियो देख लेते हो तो वहां से एनकरेजमेंट नहीं आती, ठीक है. माई एफर्ट इज देयर इन दिस वीडियो एंड योर पार्ट इज देयर इन 2 पार्ट. नंबर 1, स्टडी दीज वीडियोस, दीज क्वेश्चंस थॉरली, एंड फिर बाद में कमेंट वाला काम जरूर करेंगे. चलिए दैट्स इट. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट.